Florence Kato uri umuhezi wa mukuru w'itendekero rya Bulera ko Primary Teachers College mu rurembo rwa Hoima no ahari yabo bekitongore cy'ebwegese cyahindwire ku rwo matendekero agacinjirweho agabirendwa amanyonga Teachers Training Colleges TTCs.
They said that we are above the ceiling, but I'm wondering why they said that we are above the ceiling, because even Bulera itself does not have enough staff. When they say that we are above the ceiling, I can't understand it.
We have nowhere to go and see our people. We are kindly asking, we have asked these people to help us and put us on payroll, but all in vain. We are astonished as to how and why. We don't know really.
Florence najarango abatakushashurwa nabahika 30 kandi nabanje sente z'urukika miliyoni 350.
But there is nothing. We are here suffering, and on top of that, everybody is here working. At least if we are not here working, but we are here working, but they are not giving us salary. I don't know what we can do here.
This is inhuman. We can't allow this to happen. And moreover, we know that since our families are starving, some people think that it is through seeing you maybe coming up to saying words, pronounce words in a way which they can maybe that is what can make them hear.
Hamfrokero horo mukuru wa Bulera ko wa PTC najarango akahandikira bekitongere cy'ebwegese hamwe n'abakuru b'ururembo rwa Hoima konkango nawe takumanya habwenje batarukushashurwa.
Communication was sent to those local government entities, including Hoima City. When these people went there, because me I have not been going, I got discouraged. They were told they didn't have the money. Now, later on, the human resource officer there, and a very arrogant fellow, very arrogant. I don't know which schools he went to and where some of us went.
Johnson kusima bingano rukuru ebwegese mu rurembo rwa Hoima najirango tubine sente zo kubashashura.
Manyangu Uganda is decentralized. Baitu secondary education na tertiary ziri halfway decentralized. Obusobozi obundi bukyali mu center kandi obusobozi obundi buli hano mu district rundi mu city. Kyo kusanga emisale eri hano kandi obusobozi bw'okupostinga abasomesa tibuli hano buli Kampala.
Omwaka gw'2019 urukiko rwa cabinet rukahinguza ngo abashomesa babiri n'abashomesa muri za TTCs bahebwa umurimo mu matendekero g'abashomesa ba primary. Amakuru aga gashakwa Ambrose n'uwagaba Katoto.